prolific. Now this one, and even me looking it up for the IPA, some websites said the schwa, some websites said pro, the OU IPA. So this is where you want to, there's no set correct pronunciation sometimes. It can depend on usage, it can depend on country or region. So based on this, I saw the two options. I'm like, all right, number one, how do I say it? And then number two, how do others say it? So I looked up some examples, and in my opinion, the way that I say it and that I think sounds the most natural, instead of prolific, prolific. Both are correct. So this means producing works in great abundance. Prolific. Prolific. If you say prolific, okay, it's still considered correct, but I find with the American accent, prolific is going to sound the most natural. Let's check out the example. The prolific author has written over 30 novels in her career, earning critical acclaim and numerous awards. Try. All right, the prolific author has written over, now written, that can be pausing for pronunciation there. Written is probably the easier way to say it, but with the American pronunciation, we often say written, kind of like mountain. So that's going to be a glottal stop. The prolific author has written. You know what? I'm going to make a masterclass to add to the course for that, because that is something that causes a lot of confusion, and it just takes some muscle work with knowing how to shut your throat here. The quickest way to, you can do it, and I'll show you. So when you say, if you mess up, you're like, uh-oh. If you don't pause your throat here, it's going to sound like so uh-oh. That stop, that's what you're going to use for written, mountain. So it's a throat stop and then the end sound. But I'll make a whole masterclass for you because it's worth the practice. The prolific author has written over 30 novels in her career, earning critical acclaim and numerous awards. And here you can say and numerous awards, but as you can hear when I read it naturally, I use a reduced form and numerous, so the D is reduced. And honestly, I really admire authors who are so prolific. I'll see some of these authors like J.D. Robb, or you have all the mystery writers, and they have so many books. I'm like, how? This is designed to help you really understand how to look, feel, and sound more confident, how to refine your American accent, and how to communicate in a way that is genuine to you. If all of this sounds like something that's interesting to you, welcome, and let's get started right now.